Alright, in this activity we're going to look at 5.3.8.3, and it's called Configuring Static NAT on a Cisco Router. The objectives is to configure the customer Cisco 1841 ISR to use NAT, and to also verify the configuration. Some more depth of what we're doing here. We're going to continue to configure the Cisco 1841 SSR router to the customer network by the NAT, and use the customer needs to provide a global IP address for the customer server. So we're just going to go through the steps here for the video, and we'll start off with looking at the customer workstation PC here. And first I'm going to use is we're going to connect this PC to the 1841 customer router. So first thing we're going to do is go to the connections, use a console, and connect here, console. And then the next thing we're going to look at is go into the PC. Desktop, go to terminal, press OK, and to start, press enter. Password for this activity is going to be Cisco. And the customer router, we're going to enable that. Cisco again. Move this so we can see. Okay. Next thing we're going to do conf t. And then we'll go into this. Let's see. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to type in int fa 0/0 and do the IP NAT inside. Okay, so far so good, and then we're just going to exit that. And then next one we're going to do the serial interface. We're going to start doing that, so we'll type in int ser for serial for short, and then we'll do 0 forward slash 0, just like that. And we're going to do the IP NAT for the outside. So just the same thing as we did at the top for the inside, we're going to do the outside. IP NAT outside. And then we're going to exit. Okay. Now we have to figure out the static NAT mapping that maps the internal address to the external address. So from here we're going to type in IP NAT inside source static one nine two 168.1.10, then also 209.165. We'll do the internal and the external right here, and then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to exit. So really all I'm doing is following down the list of the steps to do. You either follow by the steps here, it shows you right here the IP NAT inside source, and then that's where I'm at right now. And then we're going to close the terminal, software to customer workstation. So we're going to close this, Let's see where I'm at. Exit. Yep. Gonna close this. Now we're gonna go to the PCPT ISP workstation. Go into there. Instead of going to the terminal, we're gonna go into desktop and go to the command prompt. Okay. Here, from the command prompt, we're just gonna ping this IP address, and we're gonna see if they connect to the customer service. So we're just gonna ping. Okay. What we're pinging is the external this time. Okay. Ping 209. Okay. Just gonna let that sit. So right now I'm seeing I want to get 4, but I got 3 out of 4. So we're gonna just double check. We want to get a total of 4 external IP addresses here. I only got 3, so we're gonna ping it again. What I just did right there is you can use the up arrow on your keyboard. It'll actually just copy and paste right in the last thing you've typed in into the command prompt. So just doing that, and then test it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 external IP addresses, and we're done. All done. Now we're just going to check our results, and we have completed everything that's asked. Alright, thanks for watching.